Best IPTV in 2021.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see new IPTV. This one is called AirTV. They have two versions. They have AirTV normal and they have AirTV extra. We are going to see all the details. It has VOD, live TV, and you can record your favorite shows. So the demo will be on my Firestick 4K, but actually you can do it on any device, and if you go to the website you will see all the devices supported. So I'm trying first to scroll down the list of the groups. As you can see, a lot of countries: UK, Germany, Italy, USA, France, Greece, Arabic sports, and they have another section for Arabic, Netherlands. Please notice those little cameras on the right hand side, the purple ones. Those cameras mean catch up. So whenever you see a channel with a little purple camera, it means catch up is supported, and we are going to see it in a few seconds. So Cyprus, Arabic, Russia, India, Pakistan, Bulgaria, Albania, the Balkan countries, and more. You have music, even music, news, too many things, other. Beautiful. It's really amazing. It plays like very, very sharply. It's so powerful. This IPTV is really good. So when you open a channel, you will see some info like EPG info. I'm trying here to show you the groups inside the groups now. After I showed you the groups, now I'm trying to show you the inside. So for every channel you will have a little description of what's playing. You can record, you can play, and if you hit the button with three lines on your remotes, you will open up the EPG. So you have the day, 2 days after, and 7 days before, and this one has catch up feature. So the little purple camera, it means that you can go to your show and play it. Okay, some channels do not have the purple camera but will provide EPG info. Okay, so this is the list under Italy. Again, many channels have the catch up feature. If you click again on the button with three lines, you will open up the TV guide / catch up, and if you click again on the same button, you will go back to the info. So when you click on one item, you can play, you can record, or you can even record the series if it is a show. So isn't that beautiful? Not many IPTVs provide this feature. You can even, with one button, one click, you can record all the series. So I'm showing here USA. As you can see, very important channels. They don't have local channels, local USA channels, but most of the popular channels are here. And by the way, there is a lot of sports. Everything plays well. You can go to full screen mode. You just have to click on the channel selected, and now it's playing in the background. Of course, I'm hiding it. Greece has catch-up feature. A lot of good things here. So when you are on a full screen mode, I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to show you how to add your channels to favorites and other things. So this is the Arabic sports. A lot of good channels, a lot of them. So this one doesn't have the purple camera, but you can go to the EPG. You will have actually not all of them have EPG info. Okay, the TV guide. And I'm continuing down the list. You have Russia, you have Bulgaria, you have Albania, the Balkan countries. So yeah, this is the thing. So when you are on full screen mode and you click on the button with 3 lines, it will take you to this screen. If you scroll down to Fav Manage, which is favorites management, you will have the whole list here, and you just have to select a channel. You will see a yellow star, and if you click again on the selected one, you will kind of remove it from the favorite list. And these are the channels that I added like now. Okay, so let's go to the VOD section. You have latest, you have recommended, you have TV serials, sports, history, your history, whatever you watched. You have favorites, you can add movies to your favorite list as well. And you have genres in the bottom. So I'm just scrolling down here just to show you the content just briefly, but trust me, everything plays excellent. The servers of this IPTV are amazing. I mean, you do not see anything wrong. Like, the sound is good, the quality, the video quality is HD and more, and so on. So movies play perfect. I did not see any problem. I'm scrolling down the list of the genres now for you guys to see, to know, take notes, because you have almost everything here, and everything plays very well. Okay, so you can install it on many devices. We will see when we get to the website. Okay, so the way we install it, you need to be really careful and follow my steps. So we're going to use downloader, but actually you can use any browser on any device. If you're using the downloader, you need to go to the browser and type this address that you can find underneath the video as well. It will show you the web page right on your device, or you can do this on your PC if you want. First, you need to register, because even if you don't register and you try to download, it will ask you to register. So first thing, you need to create an account. It's free. There's no commitment, no credit card, no payment, nothing. You just create a free account with your name, your email address. Of course, you need to go to your email to confirm your account. So if you try to go to download here, it will show you the possibilities, but you will have a message. Please log in, then download. You need to register, you need to create a free account, and to download you need to pick the right application. They have 4 choices. So basically they have AirTV normal and AirTV extra. Of course, the extra is more expensive but has more content, more features, and 2 of them are for different devices, either phone, tablet, or other devices like Android box, Firestick, Android smart TV, and you name it. Okay, so be careful. You need to know which application you're looking for. So the first thing you need to do, you can do this on your PC first, and then you come here and log in. Okay, create an account, register, then click the CAPTCHA, the me CAPTCHA, whatever, reCAPTCHA, I'm not a robot, and you register. Now you created an account. Okay, please, you need to go to your email and confirm your account. That's normal. They want to make sure it's you and it's your email. And then you go to download again, pick the right application and hit download, and it will go through easily. Okay, by the way, this IPTV service offers 3-day free trial. Can you believe that? 3 days. You can try it for 3 days. So after you log in, to create your account and you install, the user ID will be here. You need to provide that to your TV provider, IPTV provider, or you'll be given the code and you input it manually under that app activation key here. So the website now, Very simple. This is the way you contact them in case you have an issue, right? But if you are logged in, of course, that's it. Your info is already entered. So the packages are here. So we have AirTV and AirTV Extra. The top line is AirTV, the bottom is AirTV Extra. Of course, the price is different, but you will have more content and more features we are going to see in a second. So select your package and click on buy now, then it will redirect you to another page. So the difference is this: the AirTV will not have the VOD, and it will not have the 7-day catch-up feature, and you will not be able to record your shows. Okay, no VOD, no catch-up, no recording. And by the way, the free trial also does not offer everything. You need to be careful. Okay, so again, if you hit download, it will ask you to register first or log in and pick the right application. So you have 4 choices here. 2 are STB version for Firestick and Fire TV, Android box, and so on, and the 2 others are for phone/tablet. They call it pad version. This is the one that I used. It's extra and it's for Firestick. If you go to support, you can take a look at the tutorials as well. They have plenty of things. It's really important, actually. It's really interesting. You can find anything that I missed in my tutorial. You can find it here. So the download, how it goes, how you get the free trial, the trial code, how to install the APK, how to install it on Fire Stick, and you name it. Everything is here. Do not worry, it's easy. But trust me, this IPTV is really solid. You need to try it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please stay safe. Thank you.
Nice.